Hello and welcome to the second part of the listening part of the exam. And here we are going to have a look at the second part as I have told you now. So here you see Teil 2 or Teil 2 Part 2 äußern Sie an. So you have to mark or put a cross whether it is correct or wrong. So see hören jeden Text einmal. So for the part 2 you will hear each text only once. Okay, so it is not twice like in the first part. If it is correct, you have to put a cross on richtig. So if the sentence here is wrong, you have to put the cross under falsch. Okay, so Beispiel means example. So like the first part, I will give you 10 seconds of time to read the paragraph or read the passage or sentence. Then I will play the audio for you. Once the audio is over, you have to mark your answer. So once the section is over, as you have done earlier, we will go through the translations as well. So I will just read here a Beispiel to you. In this text we can see Frau Katrin Gundlach, angekommen aus Budapest, wird zum Informationsschalter an der Ankunftshalle gebeten. Frau Gundlach, bitte zum Informationsschalter in der Ankunftshalle sei. Okay, so the sentence here is die Reisende soll zur Informationshalle sei kommen. That is correct. Okay, now as I have told you before, now you have the time to read the sentences. And after 10 seconds, I will play the audio.
Teil 2. Kreuzen Sie an, richtig oder falsch. Sie hören jeden Text einmal.
Nummer 7.
Liebe Kunden, zu Weihnachten bieten wir Ihnen super Preise an. Zum Beispiel erstklassiger italienischer Weißwein für 12,78 € die Flasche oder exklusiver argentinischer Rotwein für 9,68 €. Besuchen Sie uns im 3. Stock. Frohe Weihnachten!
Nummer 8.
Liebe Fahrgäste, wir sind kurz vor Würzburg. Sicherlich haben Sie schon Hunger. An der nächsten Raststätte halten wir für eine Stunde. Wir treffen uns wieder um 12:30 am Bus, aber bitte pünktlich sein.
Nummer 9.
Liebe Fahrgäste, bitte beachten Sie, das ist ein außerplanmäßiger Halt. Bitte hier nicht aussteigen. In ein paar Minuten erreichen wir den Bahnhof Bonn-Bad Godesberg.
I hope that was understandable, and now we are going to look at the translations of each text here. Okay, so the first one is the example. Frau Katrin Gundlach, angekommen aus Budapest, wird zum Informationsschalter in der Ankunftshalle sei gebeten. So Miss Katrin Gundlach arrived from the Budapest, is being asked to come to the information desk in the arrival hall C. So the Informationsschalter is the information desk and the Ankunftshalle is the arrival hall. Okay, sie wird gebeten. That means she is being asked to come there. Angekommen, so in the infinitive form is ankommen, means to arrive. And angekommen, like she has arrived. It is in the perfect tense. That is why it is angekommen. Frau Gundlach, bitte zum Informationsschalter in der Ankunftshalle say. Okay, so Miss Gundlach, please come to the information desk in the arrival hall C. Just a repetition here. So they don't even use a verb Frau Gundlach, bitte zum Informationsschalter in der Ankunftshalle say. Okay, so it is correctly richtig. So then we go to the next page. So here we have number 7, and liebe Kunden, zu Weihnachten bieten wir Ihnen super Preis an. So dear customers, we offer you a great price for Christmas. Weihnachten means Christmas. Okay, Kunden means the customers. And super price means grace price. Zum Beispiel erstklassiger italienischer Weißwein für 20,78 €. Flasche oder exklusiv argentinischer Rotwein 9,68 €. Zum Beispiel. This is the short form for zum Beispiel, for example. So meaning will be first class Italian white wine for 12,78 € per bottle, or exclusive Argentinian red wine for 9,68 €. Red wine for 9.68 €. First class, it means first class. Weißwein means white wine. Exclusive, the same meaning, or wine is red wine. So here is written for 12.78 €. The Flasche means like per bottle, or 12.38 €. The bottle, if you want to translate it in English, which means one bottle cost around 12,78 €. So visit us on the 3rd floor and Merry Christmas. Then the sentence here is die Kunden sollen die Weihnachtsfeiern besuchen. Okay, customers shall visit the Christmas party, and this is wrong, false, because it is not about a party here. They are just trying to sell the wine, and nobody is talking about a celebration or a party here. Answer is false. Number 8. Liebe Fahrgäste, dear passengers, we are in course for Wolfsburg. We are shortly arrive Wolfsburg, almost arriving Wolfsburg, a very beautiful city, by the way, in the south of Germany. Ancestral haben Sie schon Hunger? You are surely hungry already. You also say, I have hunger, okay, ich habe Hunger. Or you can say, I am hungry, is also fine. So if you say I am hungry, so that would be in German, ich bin hungrig. An der nächsten Raststätte halten wir für eine Stunde. We'll stop at the next rest stop for 1 hour. Die Raststätte means the rest stop. Wir treffen uns wieder 12:30 am Bus. Aber bitte pünktlich sein. We meet again at 12:30 at the bus. Please be on time. Bus means at the bus, and pünktlich means on time or punctual. Okay? Or wieder treffen means we meet again. So sentence here, die Fahrgäste sollen sich im Restaurant treffen. The passengers shall meet at the restaurant. This is wrong because they have to meet at the bus. Okay? The answer is wrong. This is false. Then the next one, liebe Fahrgäste, bitte beachten Sie. So dear passengers, please note ist ein außerplanmäßiger Halt. This is an unscheduled stop. Okay. Außerplanmäßig means unscheduled and halt is the stop. Bitte hier nicht aussteigen. Please don't get off here. Aussteigen to get off. In ein paar Minuten erreichen wir den Bahnhof Bonn. In few minutes we arrive at the railway station Bonn. Okay, so it can mean like we arrive there or we reach this train station. Okay, this is correct. So the answer is correct. Okay, they should not get out because it is an unscheduled stop. And then last one. Now we will go to the 10th question. Okay, Herr Stefan Jada gebucht auf der Flug LH 737 nach Warschau, wie zum Schalter F7 gebeten. So Mr. Stefan Jada booked on the flight 737 to Warschau is being asked to counter F7. Schalter, the schalter is the counter. The schalter is also means the switch like the Lichtschalter, and the Flug is the flight. Okay, gebucht is booked, so it was buchen. The Flug wird in ein paar Minuten geschlossen. The flight will be closed in a few minutes. Herr Jada gebucht nach Warschau bitte nach F7. So Mr. Jada booked on Warschau, please to F7. Then the sentence here, the Herr soll sofort zum Schalter kommen. That means Mr. Jada must come immediately to the Schalter. Okay, answer is richtig. That is correct. So Mr. Schalter come immediately to the desk or to the counter here. Is correct. Sofort means immediately or right away. So that was it already about the second part. Whatever you hear from the practice materials, so there is a high chance to come these same sentences or same vocables for the exams as well. So there will be only slight changes, maybe with the different numbers, different names, but it will be very, very similar. Okay. So I wish you viel Spaß beim Üben. Okay, enjoy practicing. Üben means to practice. And I will hear you, or you will hear me in the next video. Cheers.